Good morning, YouTube. Whoa! You guys, do you know what that means? I think we got a package from Nomad Cosmetics. And guess what? It is their new destination palette. Yes, Nomad Cosmetics is a destination company where they go to the destination, the desired destination, and get inspiration for their palettes. And here is the amazing palette, and it is Ghost Town, USA. And inside you get this beautiful postcard, and you have a little scratch off where you have a chance to win the grand prize of $100 or other prizes. Just scratch it off. And then you have a little note in the back. Ooh, it's spooky, y'all. It's spooky. Here's the beautiful palette. And we're going to do some swatches. Look at those colors. Let's do some swatches. Or should we? We'll save this for last. Be right back. Okay, you guys, look at this palette. She is absolutely stunning. All right, let's open her up. Look at this. Okay, so we have Tombstone, Undead Sheriff, Quicksilver, Skinny's Saloon, Gold Rush, Ghost Town. Can you guys see the imprints? Look at that. Oh, those are so gorgeous. And then we have Copper Penny. God, these are beautiful. Oh, look at that. Okay. Bandit Queen. Oh, I don't know that one, but I know it's Nevada. Oh, Calamity Jane. Yep. Calico, California. Stagecoach Mary, Garnet, Montana, Deadwood, Ghost Train. Am I getting this in? Okay. Dead Man's Hand, Smoky Quartz. Oh, did you guys see the shimmer on that? What? Arrested Decay? Oh, you guys, this palette is beautiful. It is, I mean, the camera doesn't do it justice. Having this in your hand and seeing these colors, and it's just, okay, we're going to start swatching. Let's go with Tombstone. Oh, okay. Again, super soft, so be careful, you guys. So we've got Tombstone, Undead Sheriff, Quicksilver, and Skinny's Saloon. Oh, wow. Oh, geez, look at these colors. How beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. I need to get a paper towel. Okay, so those are those colors there. So then we've got Gold Rush and Ghost Town. These two right here. Gold Rush. Ooh. Ghost Town. They are so soft, you guys. So be careful. Oh my Lord. Look at those colors. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Okay, now let's go to Copper Penny. This one is Bandit Queen. Something Nevada. And then Calamity Jane. Oh, jeez. It's just like butter. I love that it's like every other one. Oh, look at that. Is a matte and a shimmer. Oh, that's pretty. So you got a shimmer, matte, shimmer, matte, shimmer, matte. So you have the same amount. I just love how they design their palettes. All right, so then we're going to go to Calico, California and Stagecoach Mary. These two here. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, you guys. So beautiful. So beautiful. Okay. And now we have Garnet, Montana, Deadwood. Oh, I can't wait to dip into this one, you guys. Ghost Train and Dead Man's Hand. Shall we? Oui. We shall. Oh my gosh. Look at that color. Oh. Guys. Oh, geez, look at that. Oh, yes, ma'am. Okay, Smoky Quartz and Arrested Decay are the last two. This is going to be pretty too. Oh, the poor design. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Isn't that just stunning? Those colors. Oh, this is currently available. This was gifted to me by Nomad Cosmetics. So thank you very much, Nomad, for this beautiful, beautiful palette. If you have a chance to get a hold of this palette, you guys, any of the Nomad palettes, if you have a chance to get a hold of any of them, whether they go on sale or not, the formula, you can't beat it. You can't beat the formula. It's just so beautiful. And the fact that they are a destination palette is just, I love that. I love that. This is definitely giving fall, spooky season vibes. But you could also do a very natural look with it as well, with a pop of shimmer in different colors. I love that. You can spice it up. You can smoke it out. I mean, glitz, glamour, smoky, you name it, you've got it right here. This is beautiful. Okay, like I said, there is a postcard that you get in your package, and it says pan for gold. You're going to scratch this off to see if you win either the grand prize of $100 or if there's a different prize in there. So let's scratch it and see. Here, let's use this. I bet it'll work. See if I win anything. That's not going to work. Okay, hold on. Okay, tweezers. Kind of wish I had a penny or something nearby. Trying to think of anything else that I could use. Let's try these scissors. Maybe this will be a little bit easier. What's it say? Get 15% off of your next order. Ooh. I get 15% off, and there's a little code right down here. I just have to get a penny or a quarter, scratch the rest of it off. There you go. So you can win a percentage off. You win up to $100, which is the grand prize. So pretty. Okay, you guys, that was the palette for Nomad Cosmetics. These shades are just gorgeous. I do have a code with Nomad Cosmetics to save you some money. Christine 10, if you would like to use that. It's not an affiliate code. I don't get anything from it. It's just for you guys. So again, thank you to Nomad Cosmetics. I tried to do my hair kind of cutesy today, but okay. Anywho, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy this palette. Let me know, did you get it? Like I said, it is available right now to go snag it up. She's beautiful. She's gorgeous. Until next time, see y'all later. Bye.